This is how I rate 7 figures with this free course. I've only been in real estate just a year. You guys know my story. I've been a pastor for 28 years. And my wife and I literally lived with open hands, giving everything away. Well, last year, exactly in June, we decided to change our future by starting in real estate investing, getting our real estate license, and connecting with the best real estate investors in Texas. I have one of those guys sitting next to me right now. In just a short period of time, what God has done in our life and in our business has been nothing but game changing. Brant just gave me a trophy for joining the $1 Million Club, and that happened through his course in private money lending that I joined just a couple of months ago. But I'll let him talk about it, because this is something that our team, that sets us apart from anybody else, is the people that you get access to, the materials you get access to, the trainings, the leadership, and that they stick with you, they work with you, and they help you achieve your goals. And I was running up into a bunch of deals, but I wasn't able to get the deals funded because I didn't have the capital available. And so Brant steps in like Superman and sets me up for success. And this is a course that you can get access to for free when you're a part of our team, and other ways. So I'm going to just talk to Brant here real quick, and we're going to put together what makes this so different than everything else that's out there on the market. So Brant, talk to us. Why did you come up and want to create a class, a mastermind for private money lending, and put it out there for free? Why do that?
So first off, I didn't give you an award. You earned that, my friend. Okay, so you 100% earned that.
Yeah, thanks.
So, I began raising money 16 years ago, and kind of technically 17 years ago. And that's what I learned. What you kind of hit on is you can have all the greatest deals in the world, but if you can't find the capital,
Yep.
Who cares? It doesn't matter.
Yep.
So what I found is, like, number one, I don't like to sell. That's not my thing. Don't like to do it. And what I found was that a lot of real estate investors are going about it the wrong way. They're trying to sell investors on investing with them. They're pitching deals. And I was seeing this going on at different networking groups, events, and things like that. And these people just reeked of desperation. And I'm like, I never want to look like that. What do I want to do? I want to help and serve, and honestly work with the people that are the right fit. So for me, what that eventually turned into, in a real short period of time, through some coaching and some wise counsel of my own, I realized I never have to pitch a deal or try to sell anybody investing with me. What I really need to just do is help. And by helping them, that came in the form of educating them, right? So there's different ways that we educate them through different various methods of digital and print marketing materials and things like that. And we just educate. And what I found is, if you educate enough people the right way, also always SEC compliant, because I see a lot of people on social media. I hope nobody watching this is one of these people.
The rules.
You're putting yourself at jeopardy of going to jail. And so I have a wife and 5 kids. You have a wife and children. We don't want to go to jail. We're going to do things the right way.
I'm too pretty to be in jail.
Yeah. I don't know about that for me, but just don't want to be there. Yeah, that's enough said. But what I found is that if you just educate enough people about this opportunity of private mortgage lending, it is essentially a guarantee that a certain percentage are going to want to engage and invest with you when they learn more, right? We've got the message of private mortgage lending that most people don't know about, because Wall Street, the banks, don't want people to know about this. They don't want the common public to know about it, because it's such a better investment opportunity than what they have to offer. So it's our job is just to educate the marketplace the right way. And if you do that, a certain percentage are going to come and want to say, tell me more. How can I invest with you? And that's what you've found out in a very short period of time.
Yep. So when a student jumps into the mastermind, what can they expect?
Yes. So essentially, I've been doing this, like I said, I started in real estate 18 years ago, put together my first partnership 17 years ago and started raising private capital 16 years ago. And I was using hard money for my first couple of years. I haven't used hard money since. I've been funded hundreds and hundreds of deals with private money north of $50 million. Paid over 10,000 mortgages to my lenders over the years. Without missing one. So everything that I teach is not, I'm not trying to brag or to boast, but everything that we teach when it comes to raising private money is sustainable. Okay, it's very sustainable. It's SEC compliant. So we take newbies. You've seen people in the group getting started from zero, or some people a little bit more advanced, but setting it up step 1, step 2, step 3 on how they can build out a plan for their business to begin raising money. This is a big problem I've seen. Whatever we focus on tends to it gets improved, it gets expanded, we grow it. I talk to real estate investors all the time. They have a marketing plan for deals. Do you know what percent of investors I talk to have a marketing plan for money? It's close to 0. So what we do, and I don't know of anywhere else out there that creates a marketing plan and a strategy that's SEC compliant for raising money. So we basically break down those steps, A, B, C, et cetera, to begin safely and effectively raising money from private lenders. And it doesn't take long, 7 figures in
3 weeks.
A month, 3 weeks, less than a month. You know?
It was pretty incredible. So that's fantastic. Any closing thoughts? Anything you want to add?
So closing thoughts, yes, I do. So for anybody watching this, you hear a lot on the internet, on social media about people making these big promises. Promises are great, but what's more important than promises is proof. Wes Foster is living proof that this works. And like I said, like for my students, agents on my team, the greatest compliment that I can ever receive is when my students or my agents go out and create results. That's proof. Don't tell me you're going to do something. That's a promise. That's good. I like that. Proof is what matters. And you, my friend, are showing that the proof of the system works. I already know it works. I've been doing it for years. But when people can go replicate what I've done, man, like get goosebumps from it. So that's all I needed, man. Like you're making it happen, and I know you're going to do the same for them.
Love it. Thanks, Brand. I appreciate you and everything that you're doing. Real estate agents, the team makes all the difference in the world. You know, make a comment below and let's book a call to see if this team is the right team for you.